Disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do not condone the use of marijuana to anyone under the age of 18. If you are under the age of 18, please get out. Thank you.
What's good, YouTube? I'm not gonna lie, it kind of feels weird getting in front of this camera again. It's been so long since I recorded a video. Like, y'all don't understand. I've genuinely, like, bro, I ain't really just been smoking as much as y'all think I really have been. This is probably gonna be the first, because y'all see the title, it's probably gonna be the first wood I smoked in probably the last like 3 months, 4 months, something like that. I genuinely haven't been smoking as much as y'all think I have, but y'all know I had to come back with a hitter when I came back to y'all. So y'all know I got a nice little wood rolled up for y'all. So y'all know I had to get y'all something nice for this little video. It's just been a minute, man. I missed y'all, I ain't gonna lie. So we about to hop on in this mug. I'm about to spark this mug up and we just about to get on to the video. I do want to give y'all a little update on things and stuff like that. We is gonna get into that, and then we is just gonna kind of, you know, get into the subject of the video, which is how to smoke, because y'all genuinely, a lot of y'all really don't be knowing how to do that junk. So I'm gonna school y'all on that junk, but we about to hop on in. I just gotta burn off this excess leaf real quick, of course. Don't you just love when your lighter decides not to work at the moment? This junk be doing that junk to me all the time, bro. But we about to hop on in. Damn, it's been a minute. I mean, it was a process to get this motherfucker rolled, because I ain't rolled up in a while either. So that was also the funniest thing, was trying to get this rolled. Still burn up this motherfucker though. As y'all can see, I still burn up this motherfucker, but it could have been better. And a lot of motherfuckers, when they smoking junk, they just pull it in to their mouth, hold it in for a minute, and then they blow it out. That's not how you smoke. You just wasting the weed at that point. At that point, you just go get you a cig from the store if you gonna do something like that. Waste that junk. That junk not good for you, but go ahead and waste that junk, bro. When you smoking other people's weed and junk, like, bro, people spend their hard-earned money on that junk, bro. You gotta learn how to do this junk properly, bro. So, like, when you smoking and something like that, bro, when you take the inhale in, you take it into your mouth and you let it sit, but then you open your mouth. Don't blow it out, don't push it out. Just open your mouth gradually and let the smoke kind of flow its way out. Naturally, it'll flow its way out, and then you inhale, just as if you was inhaling regular oxygen. That's all you gotta do, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. You isn't rocket science. You ain't gotta do the utmost. Just pull that junk in, let it sit in your mouth, let it gradually flow this way out, and then inhale it into your lungs so you can take the after effect from it. But do not sit up and just let that junk sit in your mouth and then blow that junk out, bro. You wasting that junk, bro. It ain't really worth wasting that junk, bro. Just don't waste people shit like that, bro. But I had to come back and get y'all something, because at the end of the day, I know y'all miss me type junk. I be reading y'all comments though, like, genuinely, like, I be reading y'all comments, I be hearting y'all comments, and I be liking them, and I be responding back. Like, I genuinely be seeing that junk, bro. I just got my own stuff going on, and genuinely smoking is just not what I'm really into right now. Like, I wish I could be more into smoking, because y'all know I love to smoke. Like, it's my hobby, it's my thing to do. But the problem is just the fact that I'm an adult. I got real life things that need to get done and taken care of, and smoking is just on the back burner right now. And it's not really what I'm trying to do. You feel me? Like, I got more stuff to worry about than this right here, you feel me? But I'm knocking things out slowly but surely, and once I get these things knocked out and I get myself to where I want to be at, I'm definitely gonna make a comeback and really start putting effort into this junk more than I already have. You purely because of the fact I already got a plan. I already got, you know, the things that I want to do with it. I just need to handle the other stuff that's more important right now before I can get back to the thing that I love to do. You feel me?
Yo, Cass, you're crazy. You want to do something funky?
Because even though I love to smoke and all that junk, this is just something that you can enjoy to do at the end of the day. Like, obviously, I do it for the medical benefits from it. Like, I don't just sit up and smoke just because I like to sit up and be high like everybody else. Like, no, I genuinely have a couple little issues that marijuana does help with. And a lot of people don't realize that, like, marijuana does help with a lot of different things. So I don't just smoke for that. But when it comes to rolling up and smoking, like, the amount of weed that it takes to roll up and smoke, even when you skimping it, because I mean, you probably ain't seen that video, but I rolled up and, you know, I can put a little bit in my shit and roll up and smoke. You don't need that much to smoke. That's not the issue. It's just that when you got one of these, you truly don't need to roll up and smoke all the time. I'm just being completely honest. Like, you really don't need to roll up and smoke all the time. I mean, don't get it wrong. I like my smoke sessions and shit, but it's just not the biggest desire when I got more shit going on in life at the moment. I ain't really just, you know, worried about rolling up and smoking. And like I said, if I'm really in the mood to get a quick little high, I'll just take a bong rip and call it a day. But the process to roll up and smoke, even though I'm quick with it, like I said, I've been rolling up for a minute, it's still just something I don't be feeling like doing. And then the process to roll up a wood, I can't stand that junk, bro. Like, I can roll up a wood, but even the wood I'm smoking right now, this motherfucker's starting to unravel just a little bit. And that's the only thing I really don't like about woods is that, like I said, even when you do roll them up, they do still start to unravel at some point. I have that happen to me sometimes, and that's what I really don't like. And then the main thing is that I have to put filters in these motherfuckers because I have to grind up the weed, so yeah, I'm usually not a fan of rolling up the woods and shit like that, but I mean, for the videos, I know YouTube and just everybody in general love them. Hell, a lot of people don't know about hemp wraps either. I be telling people about them and they be like, what is that? That joke be funny as hell when I talk about it. And the thing is, people don't even be knowing about woods like that for real because they only smoke backwoods. And then when I tell them about Paxton pearls and shit like that, they be like, what's that? And I just be like, y'all still wasting y'all money going to the store buying a 5-pack of backwoods and you probably only gonna get like 2 or 3 out of them motherfuckers? Hell. Couldn't be me. I couldn't go to the store and spend my hard-earned money on a pack of wraps and only get less than half of them joints. But this video about to end anyway because my camera always ends at the 10-minute mark. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, man. I really did miss y'all. I am a little disappointed with this little wood that I rolled just because it could have been better type joint. I wanted something better, but I hope y'all enjoyed this. I really did miss y'all. It's been your boy, and I'll catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.